Maoming City, Guangdong Province 6,581.42 kilowatts distributed generation solar project. The first case in Maoming City, Intelligent Logistics Park. Fully automated operation. Brands in place, Shunfeng Express, JD Express, Our Choice Mall. On December 25, 2023, the distributed generation solar project of Maoming LESSO Trade and Logistics Park was officially connected to the grid. All modules are LESSO high-efficiency modules. High-voltage transmission line, forming a reliable power system. 10 kV high-voltage grid connection, significantly improved safety and stability. 24-hour real-time monitoring. Visualization data system. Safer, more stable, more sustainable, creating a new benchmark for low-carbon parks. Protecting clean electricity, helping our customers make the low-carbon transition. Providing efficient, safe and sustainable energy solutions for global customers.